Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a soft glam look. First, we start with a clean moisturized face. The moisturizer I will be using in this video is by Vanity Cream. This is my first time trying this product, and sometimes I'll be having difficulty trying to find the right moisturizer for my skin because I have both dry and oily. So this cream does it all for me. I recommend this 10 out of 10. I'm using Milk Primer Hydro Grip. Listen, don't judge, okay? I don't know why I just decided to try this product out. I wish I should have been got it for my collection, but this is also a 10 out of 10 for me. So now I'm starting to fan my face to dry out the primer and the moisturizer together. And as you can see, I'm using my fingertips to feel to see if I can get that tacky effect, which it is. So that let me know that I'm ready to go to apply my foundation. My foundation I'm using is also by Milk. I believe I'm in the color shade 12. Look how beautiful and creamy she is, guys. Like, oh, I fell in love with her. A little goes a long way. Now for the concealer, I'm using Nars in the shade of Walnut. This concealer is everything, okay? Creamy, beautifully, like, don't even need a lot. Just like the foundation, a little goes a long way. So I highly recommend, if you have not tried any Nars product or special layer concealer, you should get you some, sis. I promise you will not be disappointed. So as you can see, I'm blending my concealer up towards under my eyelid, my waterline, and then I bring it down just a little bit and repeat. Make sure you blend, blend, blend. This is 2026, honey. For my lighter concealer, I'm using the Pro LA Girl in the shade Cool Tan. She's giving. Okay, for my bronzer stick, I'm using by Rare Beauty, and the name of it is On the Horizon. Look how beautiful chocolate she looks. She's very smooth and creamy. I'm starting to get into like the whole liquid form, like liquid blush, liquid bronzer. Like they're starting to become my favorite. For my setting powder, I'm using Sacha Buttercup. What you would do is everywhere you have put your concealer, like under your eyes, the bridge of your nose, your forehead, Cupid's bow, and your chin area, that's where you also apply your setting powder. And I'm just dusting it off. For my powdered bronzer, I'm using NXY Buttermilk. I wasn't too sure about her because I thought she wasn't going to show my skin, but look at her. For my liquid blush, I'm using Lake Rain Beauty in the color number 1. She is very thick. I had to take a couple dots on my palm and kind of just do like little 1-2 dots and then blend it using my finger because I didn't want to do too much of blush. I'm using the setting spray. Don't judge me. I don't know how to pronounce it. Tier. I believe I said it right. She's a waterproof setting spray, and once you spray this on your face, your makeup will not move. Nothing. It will stick together. And I love this setting spray. So I'm going in with the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. For my lipstick, I'm using MAC in the color of HoneyLove. Oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. Like when I went to Ulta to get her, I was so excited. I said yes, I have to get her because HoneyLove compared with the lip liner Chestnut, hand in hand. Also, this would be a perfect fall for, you know, you go out with the girls for brunch or whatever. I'm using LA Colors Lip Gloss Lychee. So I'm going in with the same liquid blush. It didn't hardly show when I first applied it, and I was like, psh, plus I need more color in my life, so why not? So I'm grabbing my James Charles Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use like a chocolate brown color just for my eyeshadow base. Nothing too, much, just simple. Because remember, we're going for a soft glam look. And also, if you guys are wondering why my palette wet, honey, I had accidentally put my Stanley tumbler on top of it with water, with ice, so you are not going to thank God the palette wasn't damaged though. The mascara I'm using is by Maybelline, and its name is called Sky High. Oh, love me a good mascara. The eyeliner I'm using is by NYX Epic Ink Liner. I love how it's like the end is pointy and it's easy to control. Don't judge me, okay? Your girl was on a baddie budget. I got these lashes off Amazon, and they're called Wispy Cat Eye. I love a good cat eye eyelash. It makes my eyes pop more, give it more of like a natural look. I love a good natural look lash. I know many of y'all thinking, I know this girl is not using hair glue for her lashes. Yes, I am. And guess what? I love it. So judge your mama, not me. I had to spray my setting spray again because when my husband opened that door, I did not realize how hot it was, and I need to go outside and run errands. And so yeah, I'm not about to be out here looking like a clown, have my makeup running off my face. That is not cute. And this is the finishing look of the soft glam. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also click the notification bell. I'll see you later. Thank you, beauties.